knew that this was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity where we're trying something new. We're trying to bring artists and engineers together through a common end goal. I'm Kat Wilson, and last year I was a graduate student at Suny Paltz, and this year I'm a faculty member at the MakerBot Innovation Center. I'm working with students, I'm working with clients, I'm doing design work, I get to work on my own designs. I think it's really an awesome job.
3D is new enough, exciting enough, innovative enough that in and of itself has brought more focus to the entire institution beyond 3D. We began this project with two $250,000 private funding sources, and we took those pieces, built the curriculum, got started on things, and that momentum that we were able to build into a Suny 2020 grant, which is an infrastructure grant that's helping us build an engineering innovation hub that will support 3D as it links to mechanical engineering, but also 3D as it relates to regional economic development.
You have students coming in here learning how to use the equipment, how to create projects that they probably never thought that they would be working on. You have businesses coming in here with new products that they want to develop, looking for help. I mean, this is exactly what we wanted to happen.
What we thought was that we would be a print services more than anything else. And what we've come to find is that while people need things printed, they also need things designed in order to be able to print them. So what we started to offer was design element.
Rather than contracting out specialist employees who do this, we turn these projects over to students who work under the guidance of a faculty member or a staff member.
A lot of the work that we do, someone will come in and say, I've got this idea. We've gotten everything from really high-end engineering drawings to sketches on the back of a napkin.
When I heard in the local media that we had a center that could do 3D printing for local inventors, immediately decided I'd get in touch with them because that's just what I needed to make this project go forward. Now, one day I was watching television, a show about avalanches. It got me thinking what kind of shape I could make that would roll around, but under the right conditions would solidify and form some kind of useful structure. Once I'd figured out the best shape was something like this, dodecahedron. I had some little dodecahedrons made by 3D printing, works like a beam. Suny's doing it at a good price, it's very helpful. And I can make 1,500 and we can proceed with bigger model. So that's exactly what we did. It's working, supports the weight, and we got the structure. So the proof of concept is done.
It pulls in, literally pulls in, businesses, academia, media, the general public, government officials. I mean, all of those folks are now being pulled into Suny New Paltz.
What we really did right was pick out 3 directions that are self-supporting in 3D printing. We have a MakerBot center that is a print service center for the whole campus. We have an externally focused arm that allows us to interact with the community, and we're working on an academic program training students to use design and technology. And having all 3 of those pieces together in one place, that's the most important thing we've been able to accomplish.
It's been very exciting to see students from different disciplines come together in our MakerBot Innovation Lab, doing things cross-disciplinary. It's so fun to be in that lab and see a mathematics major designing something that's inspired by a polynomial equation and actually translating that into a product.
I get to see people realize dreams and goals that they've had for years. I get to see students learn new techniques and develop as artists and engineers.
What this 3D facility and capability means to us is the opportunity that it presents for students to do innovative things, learn in new ways, make things. So it's life-changing and transformative.